Well, hello everyone, it's Kari back again on the channel, and today I have a fun project using some of these new Terrific Slim tickets. So this is the Terrific Slim Tickets die, and the one on the right is the Terrific Slim Tickets window die. And you know, when I have the opportunity to make a shaker, I like to take that opportunity. So today I'm going to make a shaker coupon book with a pocket to put some of these tickets in. And it's a really fun project, so I hope you'll stay with me here as I show you how I'm going to do this. I've cut two Terrific Slim Tickets dies here out of white cardstock, and I'm just going to cut off the ticket on the left. And those I'm going to save for later, but the other part I'm going to make the book out of. Then I've also cut this out of red. This is the Terrific Slim Tickets window die, and I've cut the outline of that in red, and that's going to make the shaker on the front. So see these two, I'm going to just put those aside for later as we build up the rest. Now these dies also come with some really great tickets in different sizes that you can use for all kinds of things. And today we're going to use some for this little booklet. I'm going to also start by stenciling on a design on the front and on the inside of this coupon book. I'm using the Harlequin stencil here with some salvaged patina distress ink, and now I'm going to pull in some peacock feathers and also some uncharted mariner just to give it a little interest and some differentiation in color. I think it's fun to add some different colors. We're going to mix it up a little today. So look how fun that looks. And then I'm going to also stencil this same look on this second ticket. And through the magic of editing, I've just finished that second ticket as well. And now we can start building the pocket. For the pocket, I have cut this same ticket out of red, and I'm going to leave room for some tickets to fit inside. So I'm just going to glue around the bottom and the two sides, but I'm going to leave the top open, and that will make our pocket. I'm using liquid adhesive for this, and I definitely want this to dry all the way before I put some tickets in, so I am going to set that aside while we work on the front of the ticket book. For the frame, I'm going to add some acetate to it. So I'm just going to add some glue to the back of this frame. I'm being very careful here. And then I'm going to add some acetate and allow that to dry. So I have a piece here that's almost the same size as that ticket, but I will need to trim just a little bit of it off. I'm going to allow it fully to dry before I trim it. Now I've cut this sentiment from the Big Hugs die set, and I've got a couple of ticket coupons elements here. This is a new stamp set as well, and I'm going to stamp the word coupon on this piece of cardstock that I have cut down. This was cut from another die set that I'll link below, and it's practically the perfect size to stamp that coupon sentiment on. It's got a little bit of a stitched detail around the edge or a dotted detail around the edge, so I really loved it. Then I also stamped out the word book, and I'm going to cut it out with this little tag die. This is from the Potions bottle die set, which I thought was so perfect. And I love the font on this coupon. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of got like an open edge around it. So it's a really neat font. It's a really neat look. Now that this is pretty much dry, I can trim out that acetate. There was just a little bit peeking out of the edge there. So I'll trim that down, and now we can start building the shaker part of the front of our coupon book. I've got some double thick foam that I'm just going to put around the entire edge of our frame. And I love that I can just twist and turn this to fit right around there. I am trying not to leave any open spaces so that all our sequins and shaker mix will stay inside the frame. There we go. That's going to look good right about there. And now I've got some sequins here. This is actually an older shaker mix that I've had in my stash, and it's got sequins in a lot of different colors and a few little gems in there as well. It's really pretty. So I'm going to add that to the center of this ticket, and then I can remove the backer from all of the foam and add that to the top. I am going to glue some of the gems and sequins down so that when this is shaking, not everything will fall to the bottom. I like to do that to keep some of that up at the top. So I just chose a few to glue on, and now I'm going to remove the backer from the foam and put that down just like that, and I'm going to make sure that it's sealed all the way around. For the front of the book, I'm going to make it say big coupon book. And I thought that was so cute. I'm going to take the ribbon, or this looks like a little bow, and that's also from the potion bottle die set. And I'm just going to cut off a part of it so that I can make that label that says book look like it's tied on the front. For the big sentiment, I added a white shadow behind it. That's so it will stand out from the background a little, and I also added it to the little heart that's the dot of the eye. And I'm just going to glue that to the front of the book using some liquid adhesive. Now you have to be careful when you use liquid adhesive on acetate because it's kind of slippery and it can slip and slide around quite a bit. So I like to make sure that I put it in practically the right spot and try not to move it around too much because I don't want the glue to come squishing out the sides. So I've glued on most of those now, and I'm just adding the last little piece here. And that's going to go just like that. That's cute. So there is our front of our coupon book. And now let's work on the inside of the coupon book. This inside has dried now and it's ready for some tickets. So I'm going to create a few tickets here. I've got some XOXO also cut out from that Big Hugs die set, and I'm layering those with a white shadow as well. And then I'm going to put those on the inside of the little pocket and the inside of the book. I have not put them in the complete center because I'm leaving some room on the edge to make this book be able to open with a hinge. So that is why they are kind of off to the right. And now I'm going to tape off the sides of these tickets. These are the tickets that I cut off the edge of that Terrific Slim Tickets die. And I just want to tape around the edges so that I can add some detail and some inking to the inside of these tickets. I'm taping the little corners as well. And now I'm going to use some really thin mint tape here to create some lines. And I'm doing this because I want to use the popcorn and the soda from the ticket coupon element stamp set. And I thought that would be really cute along with the sentiment that says, pick the flick, claim before we fall asleep. I thought that was so cute and so fun. So look at how great these little stripes turned out. And I'm also going to tape off this next one so that I can build another ticket with this one. For this one, I'm going to start with salvaged patina, and then I'm going to go in with some peacock feathers, and we'll make this one kind of a gradient look. So there's our easy backgrounds, and now it's time to add some sentiments and some elements to them, but look how cute they're going to look inside that pocket. So for this first one, I'm going to pull out the ticket coupon sentiments and the ticket coupons elements, and I'm going to stamp on the little popcorn and the soda on this one, and I'm choosing the pick the flick for that one, and then this next one is going to be biggest slice, and I'm using a couple of the little elements from the elements as well, and I'm also stamping on a piece of cake in the background. Now I don't know if you can see this very well, but I stamped it in gray, and I wish I would have stamped it a little darker, but look there, you can kind of see a ginormous piece of cake in the background. And then I thought we would use some of the smaller tickets that come with the Terrific Slim Tickets window die. There's lots of different sizes, And these are going to work great with some other stamps that I have in my stash from Whimsy Stamps. I'm going to do one in green, and that one I'm going to put some money on it, or a little dollar sign, and say, "You look like $1,000,000." Then I've got a yellow one and a purple one, and I'm going to stamp just some things from my stash here, you can see. And I also added to the yellow one a free pass, I think I used for that one. So now let's turn it all into the book. I've got my scoreboard here, and I'm going to score a line on the 1/2 inch mark. Now this is a little trickier to do than I thought, but there are a couple layers of cardstock here. So I'm going over this a few times, and then I'm going to fold it back and forth so that it makes it into a little book. And I'll glue that together with some liquid adhesive. I'm only going to use the liquid adhesive on that little tab that we created, just onto the left of the score line. Then I'm going to put that front of the book right on top, and I'm going to hold it together with some reverse tweezers. And once it's dry, we can open that up and take a look at this cute little shaker with coupons inside. Look how cute that is. Just so fun. And then here's some other coupons that I made that I'm just going to add right to it. And there you go. Just so fun to create. There's so many opportunities here. Lots of sentiments to use, lots of elements as well. I hope you enjoyed this idea today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's lots more inspiration coming soon. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.